Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can draw lines in your whiteboard presentations on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your page inside the whiteboard presentation on Canva. And then guys, on the left hand side you will see these editing tools for the whiteboard. Click into draw here. Then you may select one of these drawing tools here, a marker for example, or a highlighter, a pen. Click into it, choose the color here at the bottom. You may go with, you may pick your color here or choose the hex color code. Adjust the stroke weight here, the transparency, and then start drawing with your left mouse. So let me draw a house, for example. Then we got these windows, the doors, chimney, and so on and so forth, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.